have WeChat for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'll make a comparison speeding test or velocity test, also performance test between iPhone 13, the latest greatest iPhone ever, and iPhone 11 that is 2 generations older. If you want to buy iPhone 11 in cheaper price, that's why you're watching this video. And if you want to go to the last version, then buy iPhone 13, but still iPhone 11 is a good phone. The design is beautiful. iPhone 13 is more slimmer, you see the body, but the camera is better in this one, although they have the same camera 12 megapixel, but with software Apple has done good thing, and lenses, few things they changes here and there, whatever. So for performance test, we start with the booting. Here we have the power button of both the phone, you see in the same place. We hold and see who boots faster. 1, 2 and 3. Let's see. Apple logo appears faster in iPhone 11. Let's see. iPhone 13 is the clear winner, obviously the new generation. Let's see iPhone 11 in few second delay in this case. Now we'll go more to different application and I will show you how they differ, how they perform one to another. Here we are, we'll check the performance between these two phones. I will go one by one different app. We have YouTube, you see here, we'll go to most important app, that is YouTube. For some people, maybe not. Here we go, we hit same time. Let's see, 1, 2 and 3. iPhone 13 boot faster. Now you see the light, there are big difference. iPhone 13 has better lighting options. So I close this one here. Let's see how much I have here. They are the same little bit I will have iPhone 11. So you should have little bit better light, but the lighting display, this has better resolution. In this case, there's no doubt. Okay, now I will open a video, similar video, to see which starts faster than one to another. I put here a 4K video, let's see, and this one too, 4K video. We'll see which one opens faster, 1, 2 and 3. They are pretty same time. So we'll do one more time the test because it was very close to confirm. This 4K Ultra HD, let's see, 1, 2 and 3. They are similar. There is not a difference because they have similar RAM. Only processor is different. So performance I see almost same in this case. I will close this app. Close them all. Here we go. Now I will go to Facebook option. Let's see here, and here I have Facebook. Let's see which one opens faster, 1, 2 and 3. iPhone 13 is faster in this case. You can see almost no lagging. Here you can feel, I feel better in this skin, you see, and this one. We'll close the app now, this one, Facebook. Here we go. And we'll throw that out from everywhere. Now what can we open? If I have Netflix here, okay, we have Netflix in both the phone, 1, 2 and 3. They are the same, guys. If you want to buy iPhone 11, you can buy very easily, the same type of performance. Now I'll go to my account, 1, 2 and 3. iPhone 11 went faster to my account than iPhone 13. Very surprising matter. Here one drama I would like to see. I hit 1, 2 and 3. Almost identical. Let's hit the play button. It's very much identical, guys. iPhone 13, iPhone 11, both same to same in this case. You can see. I will stop this one. We'll open one more thing, YouTube Music. In both of them, we'll see which one is working faster. 1, 2 and 3. pretty much identical, almost the same, not a big differences in this case. Okay, I will put a random music. Okay, they are almost the same. I go out, I will close all of them. Here we go, these two. Now we'll check installing process, which phone can install faster game. We'll go to App Store. Here we go. In these two App Store, here we go. Subway Surfer here we have, and I will check here the same. 1, 2 and 3. Let's see which one is installing faster. iPhone 13 is already there, is done. So in this case, iPhone 13 performs better. Here we go. Now we'll open both of them. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. iPhone 13 is faster in opening game. To put an age here, put 31, doesn't matter. 31 the same. I put OK button to go inside. OK, one more time. Continue. Allow. iPhone 13 loads faster. You see that? Tap to play. Let's see. 1, 2. In this case, they are same time. Let's see. Let's play. Let's see that. Okay, whatever. So you see the gaming performance. iPhone 13 has slide edge. Let's see closing option. Here we go. Almost the same. You can close in same way. So in some places iPhone 13 is better, and in other places they are same. If you want to buy iPhone 11, is a good choice still. You can buy a brand new iPhone 11 in 600 euro, and you can buy a brand new iPhone 13 in 900 euros. So you pay 300 euro more for this phone. But if you want to show off the last version of iPhone, it's better to buy iPhone 13. But still, both are great phone, and still iPhone 11 is relevant. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye.